a little challenging, man. I might fall, but you can do it. Cross retreat, just particular. You got to come out with us a few more times. Like we'll do a top rope session. We just do everyone's not. Oh yeah. Because we do that, and you just have to kind of learn the handstand first, and then. All right, out.
All right. Good luck, Jerry.
Belay's on.
All right, I'm tied in.
Come on, man.
Lyman.
Go, Jerry.
On the left. Bro. Yeah. Yep. Extended.
All right, let me take. It's stiff off the ground though. Should be more off the ground. I was like not gonna fall there, but before leaving, I had to take a moment with Johnny to like kind of map it, because there's no pro. Like his hands aren't there, so I had to climb like 15 feet in that section, and it's awkward. Yeah, it's scary. I was like, if I fall to like death and hurt my ankle.
High right foot. Sorry.
Yeah.
I'll let you figure it out.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I was overframed too, but I just didn't want you to suffer on like this climb is just like way too technical to be like, oh, just try the moves. Like, how did it seem like you did the 5-7 there? No, it turns into that also if you follow the bolt, it goes into the main or 5-1. I think it's hard to do. Yeah. But if you got up to the third bolt, that's solid climbing. We did, yeah. Excellent. That's a way step up from the first one, the practice. Oh. One on the right though, the bolt, steep, and it's not a lot of features you're like tiptoeing onto. Yeah. Who's coming up? Jerry's climbing up. Yeah. No. It only matters if you have fun first, and then second, each climber just try to take away stuff from the top rope. That's why you top rope so much. Like it relieves the like complications of bleeding, and you can just focus on like, am I moving well?
Could you take, Jacob?
Oh yeah, sorry. There's a bit of you might have to take if that's because it seems tight on my end because there's just a bit of drag around this.
Yeah.
Thing. Yeah, he's getting out of that bottom boulder problem. He's about to rip it.
Yeah, that's it. Hell yeah.
That's it. Nice
move, dude.
And then rest for a second and see, like, could you put a piece in right now?
Put another piece?
Oh, could you? Like, in your mind. Are you in a comfortable spot to place?
Yeah, I'm pretty good.
Yeah, because that's the stance to place. Good. Yeah. All right. Rip it. Well, he kind of knows the beginning part, you know, how to jam, but I'm telling you, it's the top from that gold cam through. That's like you kind of have to follow the chalk, yeah, because it's kind of cryptic. You're like, no. Yeah, because imagine if you were doing a 10A in like the Sierra Mountains and there's obviously no chalk. That would be the sequence, and you're like, there's no chalk anyway. You don't know. You're just like, is this it? It's a different kind of plan.
Yeah, go Jerry.
But it's also kind of slippery. Joshua Tree has a slippery effect, but it's pretty good. Joshua Tree massive. Yosemite's kind of like the cracks are better, but it's sometimes slicker. So you kind of have to be aware of how you're smearing. What else? Yosemite has a lot more stuff. Yeah, like the wider cracks. It's known to have some famous wide cracks. That's pretty typical. A lot of just like Joshua Tree though. It's pretty similar level. A lot of cracks. If you want a taste of it, of climbing or like doing, actually, if you go to Tahoe, beautiful, right? It's the same, like beautiful hikes, and it's the same thing as Tuolumne Meadows, which is right, the alpine part of the right. And there's called Lover's Leap. If you just look up Tahoe climbing, you'll know that it's a famous crag. Yeah, and it's like voltage climb, like beginner climb. It's just that Yosemite is so much traffic. It's really hard to actually like go. You need a little higher to clean it. It slots out. Yeah, the I'm sure it's like always full forever. Okay, I'm sure it's like it'll never.
You want me to clean it, Joe? You can leave that there. You can leave the nuts.
Yeah, he's gonna clean the nuts. Yeah.
Nice.
I promise I placed them pretty marginal. Nice job.
What do you want for dinner?
See? Alright, yeah, I think Yosemite would be a great trip. Wait, I kind of with Brian last summer, and it was, I mean, like, it was just exactly what you think would be like a perfect day of like climbing at the crag. You know, you're just like, there's waterfalls, you have El Cap and the other big domes, a half dome and spires. Oh, it's beautiful. It's like birds are out. It's like a nice like 65. Yeah. People are just stoked. There's a lot of camp. There's a lot of people though. In some of the campsites, there's a lot of people, a lot of crowd. It is starting. It is a little. It's coming. Yeah. Oh, nice work, dude. Good shit. Yeah. No. You can always back up into the valley too. I would do dispersed camping too. That's probably. You have to have someone kind of like get dropped off. He's probably getting to 2/3. nice cleaning technique. Nice, dude. Oh, good. Dude, nice run. Holy smokes, dude. You flew up that. Oh, you're in the finger jam part. Yeah. So, it's surprisingly, it gets kind of pumpy where you're at. But your goal, Jerry, is you gotta go. You see left, there's a big ledge way up. No, way up higher, like 5 feet up, 10 feet up.
That one?
Yeah, that block where there's chalk running down, there's 2 streaks of white.
Yeah.
Your goal is to get your left foot onto that, and then there's a rest, and then you can start live acting. But from where you are right now to there, you got to do some finger jams, delicate finger jams. And there's a yeah. Take your time on it. Take your time. Find the finger jams you want. Yes. Oh, you got it. Your left foot does stick out far. Oh, you had it. Nice work. It's pumpy, huh?
Yeah.
Left foot. You saw it. Down lower. There's an edge for your left foot. Anywhere there. Bump right, and then boom, you're there. Nice work. Yeah. You're climbing so well.
Hell yeah, Jerry.
Hell
Get
yeah.
It. Get it.
Keep going up. And it's a lie back, so both hands go into the lie back position. Yeah. Just like that boulder dash we did together on that lie back.
Are you comfy?
I just got it.
Your frozen feet.
Yeah.
So that's what's cool about this device. That no hands. Yeah. That's cool. It goes one way. Both hands. That's like a guide.
Come on, Jerry. Dig deep. Dig deep.
That's what. If you get anything down the line like a fancy key.
Mention.
Nice. You want that.
Oh god, it's like
Nice move, Jerry.
Tension.
Okay, shit. Oh, I got. Fuck. It's already tight.
Ah. God damn it. Oh god.
You see the goal, the glory jug? It's all chalked up on the right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a surprisingly good jug.
How'd you transition from the live back to that?
No, remember, there's a secret left foot. There's actually, they're not using it, but there's actually a nub for your left foot.
Oh, right.
And you can actually bump your left hand way up. It's actually locked it. I didn't even lie back it. I just did a high thumbs jam. So then I could easily swing and then just grab the jug.
I see.
Yeah. You can't stay lie back. I mean, you can stay lie back, but that sucks.
All right, Jerry, look for the left foot.
I can't see. I just can't see it. There's a nub. There's a nub, maybe by your chest. You can put your left foot on.
I see it.
And you gotta, and then Jerry, that will get so high right hand. You stand and you transition your left hand lie back into a jam, because that's how you can then like swing, right? To grab the jug or lie back it like.
Did you jam like hands, thumbs down, or
thumbs down? Yeah.
And
or just lie back 2 more like 5-10 lie back moves, and then you can just grab the jug. It'll be right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some people jam it from here. Some people don't even lie back, dude. They just do like overhung hand jam the whole way.
That's crazy.
But that's just, yeah, I don't know. But you can start jamming now if you want. Yeah, but you gotta use the nub. And your right foot needs to. Oh, you know why? Because your right foot, Jerry, if you can, if you jam, if you do get a left hand jam, your right foot needs to go into the crack. Maybe by your knee, like pick up your foot, jam it into the crack, and then, boom, you're done.
I also struggled more.
Yeah, I think you need a lie back still, a little bit more lie back, and a left foot nub. Yeah. Lie back that shit. Come on. There you go, jam.
Get that jam, hell yeah.
Yes, dude, you sent it. Yeah, dude, jam. Karate chop. Left hand jam.
I remember the jam was slippery as fuck.
You got it. Nice work, dude. Way to pull the cracks. Yeah, you're. Yeah, left hand on the jug and then. Oh, sorry. Right hand on the jug. I fucked up. Climber's right on the jug. Left hand jam.
That is sequences.
One more jam. Yep, and then get your foot in the crack and you stand up.
Hell yeah. Get it, Jerry.
You pulled the crack, so you can relax. So you're out of the hardest. Get the jam. Yep. Get the high right hand jam. Oh, that works too. Okay. There you go. Right hand jam in there. Yep. And then get foot in the crack. Nice job. You got it. deeper you go, the better it is. Or sorry. No, no, no.
And then now,
Yeah.
please.
One.
Yes.
10%.
Yeah.
You should have brought your snow rings on. Or those mittens you got from Japan, you know?
Yeah.
Well, you should do it.
That was the new better idea.
Yes,
Over
dude.
stuff like
You can get your bigger bag.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, man.
Yeah,
You're gonna
great.
be full of it.